What's up, guys? It's me again, Christian Rodriguez, and today I got a banger for you guys. So today I have a. So last week we worked on a plumbing CRM, right? Automation, right, with the Google Sheets CRM, right? This is what we worked on last week, right? And I actually built. So I added to it this time, and this time I included it so it sends some sort of confirmation email to the lead, right? So like any of the new leads that come into the CRM and they inquire about services, right? They want a quote, right? Now we send them back some sort of confirmation email, right? So I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna show you guys how it works. So we're gonna test it. It goes through the CRM. It sends me the email. It goes through OpenAI, and then it's gonna send back to in my case I'm sending it to myself, but you'll see. Awesome. So we're gonna go here now and just check it out. Awesome. So it came in. You see, hi Steve, right? Obviously, for the sake of this, for the video, I had it sent to myself, but this would be sent to the lead, right? The lead who inquired on the website. So thanks for reaching out. We appreciate you for contacting Clearflow Plumbing, and we'll review your issue shortly. If you have any photos or extra details that might help speed up the quote, please reply to this email and attach them. Best, Mike from Clearwater Plumbing. All right, now I'm not going to just tell you. I'm going to show you guys how I built it. Right. So we're going to go to this workflow now, and we're gonna start working on it. So from here, so we're gonna go to OpenAI. We're gonna go to OpenAI, and we're gonna put message a model. Right. I already have my credentials in, but I've mentioned this before. If you have to go, I would open the doc, and all you need is the API key, right? You just need the API key from OpenAI. OpenAI makes it super simple for you. Just follow the document over here, and you should be able to get it. If you have to pause the video, then pause it. But all right, I'm gonna keep going. So I'm gonna put GPT. I'll put GPT-5 Mini, and then for the prompt. All right, guys. So for the prompt, I actually went to my other workflow because I already like had it created. I didn't want to just go back to it, creating it again. So I just got the old one. But this is how it looks. I'm actually gonna fix this up because I didn't really like how it originally looked. So I'm gonna best doesn't need the quotes. So best Mike from Clearflow Plumbing. Could make it for the sake of it. We're gonna make it 2 words. Clearflow. Yeah. Keep. So you see, here we have your friendly plumbing business named Clearflow Plumbing, a customer name, and then I put the JSON, right? So I went to here and I put the name, the first name, and I put the last name here, right? So every time in the lead list, it's gonna know who what name to use, right? Super simple, super easy, and then you just filled out get a quote form, write a short, warm confirmation email, right? Thanking them for reaching out, mentioning that your team will review their issue soon, and encouraging them to reply with any pictures or details that could help speed up the quote process. Keep it professional but friendly, and sign it off as best from Mike, Clearflow Plumbing, right? And let's see. Um, I'm gonna run it and just see. Oh wait, I gotta output this as JSON, and we're all right. Let's run it. Best way to do it is to test it. Awesome. So we have the output. We have the JSON over here, and looks so far so good. It looks okay for now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tidy up. We're gonna save, and we're gonna go to we're gonna set up another Gmail node, right? And it's gonna send a message, right? We're gonna put send a message. Make sure the credentials are good. If you see my previous video, then it should be fine. And I know, like normally in this, I would probably, right? Normally for working with the client, I'd probably go in here and grab this email and put it here. But obviously, I made up that email on the spot. It's not a real email. So for the sake of testing, I'm going to test it with my own email. See if it works. Okay. And then here, we could say something like, um, thank you. Thank you for joining us. No, no, I don't like that. Thank you for choosing us today. Thank you for choosing us. I know it doesn't sound the best, but um, I couldn't think of something better at the moment. So that's going to be good for now. And then for the message, right, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the body. We're going to set it up here. Oh, wait, I have it here. So what I'm going to do, my mistake. Thank you for contacting Clearflow Plumbing. Let me see if I can use an emoji. Pipes. Pipe, pipe, water. Oh, there's no. I guess there's no emoji for that. Okay, that's fine. That would have been pretty cool, but it's all right. So we have this set up, and then we're going to go here. We're just going to go to append N8N attribution, so it doesn't show that it was sent from NAM. And then we're just going to execute it. Let me just make sure everything's correct. Awesome. So we click execute. All right, now we're going to go back to Gmail. So we should see it here. Hi, Steve. Thanks for reaching out to Clearflow Plumbing. We appreciate it. Our team will review your issue shortly. If you can reply with any photos or extra details, it will help us speed up the quote process. Best, Mike from Clearflow Plumbing. Awesome. So this is what the client would get after they inquire, right? So this is pretty cool. Yeah, that's so we could even test it out as a whole. I already pinned it, so I don't have to do it again. But all right, so it goes through everything just to make sure it all works. After I build, I always like to just make sure it works. Awesome. So it went through. Awesome, and it responded back. So yeah, that was basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe. I'm going to keep creating more content like this. And yeah, take care.